Good morning, everyone. I will be buying taho for breakfast. Ayan, and the taho vendor is now arriving. Taho. Hoy, diyan ka lang. Ayan, okay na po. Yan, pinahalo ko. And so this is made of soya bean. So it's actually healthy breakfast. I've been craving for taho since I arrived back home. And usually early morning or late sila nakakarating kasi umiikot pa sila. They round all throughout the village selling taho. So yeah, let's have breakfast taho and bread. Let's have the taho. Sarap. Kung mainit pa, mas mainit pa, maligam-gam na lang. So that's it for our taho breakfast. Thank you for watching. Bye!